Without luggage, travelers face disorganized packing, lost belongings, and discomfort carrying heavy items. This leads to stress, delays, and damaged goods. A reliable luggage product is urgently needed to ensure secure, convenient transport, protect valuables, and simplify travel, making journeys smoother and more enjoyable. There are many types of luggage with unique features and prices. I researched thoroughly to find the best luggage that offer great value. Let's get started the top 5 best luggage review. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check links in the description box for each product mentioned. Number 5. Samsonite Freeform 21-inch Hardside Carry-On Luggage. Travel smarter with the Samsonite Freeform 21-inch Hardside Carry-On Luggage. The perfect blend of style, strength, and convenience. The perfect size, this compact suitcase measures 21.25 inches by 15.25 inches by 10.0 inches with wheels, meeting most airline cabin size restrictions, making it ideal for both domestic and international travel. Inside, you'll find a roomy 19.5-inch by 14.5-inch by 10.0-inch packing space to stay organized, complete with elastic straps, a divider, and a pouch to keep all your essentials neatly in place. Enjoy effortless travel with 4 oversized, 360-degree spinner wheels, and a lightweight, 6.5 pounds hardshell design that glides smoothly in any direction. A built-in TSA-approved lock offers added peace of mind, letting you secure your belongings without fumbling with keys. Crafted for durability with a textured, scratch-resistant shell, this carry-on is built to last and comes with a 10-year warranty backed by Samsonite's rigorous quality testing. Whether you're jet-setting for business or pleasure, the Samsonite Freeform carry-on ensures a stress-free, stylish, and secure travel experience every time. Number 4. KYME 26-inch Medium Checked Luggage. The KYME 26-inch Medium Checked Luggage is built for travelers who demand durability, space, and smooth mobility. Crafted from 100% PC, this hard-shell suitcase features a 3-layer microdiamond textured surface that resists scratches and absorbs impact, keeping your luggage looking sharp even after long-haul flights and rough handling. With dimensions of 26.37 by 17.32 by 10.43 inches, the spacious interior offers generous packing capacity for medium to long trips. Inside, you'll find a large zippered compartment, a wet-dry separation pocket, and strong X-type elastic straps to keep your items secure and organized. Designed for effortless mobility, the 360-degree spinner wheels roll smoothly and silently across all surfaces, from airport terminals to cobblestone streets. A TSA-approved combination lock is built into the side for added peace of mind during international travel. No keys required. Perfect for family vacations, business trips, or extended getaways, this suitcase combines rugged performance with sleek design. Whether you're traveling for work or adventure, the KYME Medium Checked Luggage delivers the reliability and convenience every traveler needs. Number 3. Crosser Hardside Expandable Carry-On Luggage. The Crosser Hardside Expandable Carry-On Luggage offers a great balance of size and capacity, making it the perfect travel companion for short getaways and business trips. Measuring 14.1 by 9.3 by 21.5 inches, including wheels and handle, and weighing only 7.04 pounds. This 20-inch carry-on fits comfortably in most airline overhead compartments and is expandable for extra packing space when needed. Crafted from 100% polycarbonate hard shell, the suitcase is lightweight, anti-scratch, and built to withstand the rigors of travel. The smooth lining ensures even close-fitting garments are protected, keeping your belongings secure and organized. Engineered with high-quality accessories, this luggage features ultra-durable spinner wheels for quiet, smooth movement across all surfaces, including cobblestone and carpet. The TSA-approved lock, reinforced explosion-proof zipper, and ergonomic multi-stage telescopic handle provide convenience and security. Inside, you'll find a thoughtfully designed layout with cross straps, a waterproof compartment for toiletries, and a U-frame zipper divider for added privacy. For added convenience, a USB port is built in to keep your devices charged on the go. Travel smart with Crossa. Number 2. Swissgear Schaun Soft-Side Expandable Luggage. The Swissgear Schaun Soft-Side Expandable Carry-On Luggage Imputer is the ideal travel companion for seamless mobility and smart organization. Designed for convenience, this rolling suitcase features 360-degree multi-directional spinner wheels and a locking retractable push/pull handle, making it easy to navigate crowded airports and tight airplane aisles. With multiple front panel pockets and a built-in ID tag, this stylish and practical carry-on offers ample storage and quick access compartments. Measuring 22.75 by 14.25 by 10.25 inches, including wheels and handles, its packing dimensions are 21 by 12.75 by 10.25 inches, perfect for most overhead bins. Crafted from durable, scuff-resistant polyester, the fully lined interior includes adjustable tie-down straps, a removable zippered wet bag, large mesh lid pocket, and an additional packing pocket to keep belongings organized. The expandable design provides extra packing capacity, while the reinforced padded top, side, and bottom handles make lifting and carrying your luggage effortless. Whether for business or leisure, the Swissgear Schaun ensures you travel with style and ease. Number 1. Tumi Short Trip Expandable 4-Wheeled Packing Case, Carry-On Suitcase. The Tumi Short Trip Expandable 4-Wheeled Packing Case combines durability, style, and functionality for the modern traveler. Crafted with Tumi's patented FXD ballistic fabric, this innovative rolling luggage boasts a sleek, contemporary design built to withstand the rigors of travel. Featuring an expandable main compartment and multiple internal pockets, it offers generous space to organize all your essentials efficiently. The state-of-the-art 4-wheel system ensures smooth, effortless navigation through busy airports and tight spaces. Security is a priority with the built-in TSA combination lock and reinforced security zipper, keeping your belongings safe and secure throughout your journey. Designed for convenience, it also includes a removable garment sleeve for wrinkle-free packing. Backed by Tumi's trusted warranty, 5 years for luggage, this carry-on suitcase delivers long-lasting performance and peace of mind. Travel smarter and with confidence using this premium Tumi packing case. Thanks for watching this video. Please watch the next video.